Hi there. Hey, we want to talk about image file formats, but before we do that, we need to look at layers, and you need to understand the concept of layers. So we've got this picture open, and if I was doing something in like a different program, like just a normal paint program, say that I came in here and erased some of this stuff. Let's see, I'm going to make my eraser a little bit bigger here. If I erase things, or then if I paint some things in here, and let's make the brush bigger. Well, I would be affecting the original picture. And so, with like other cheaper, or I'm sorry, I shouldn't say cheaper, but the less sophisticated graphics programs, whatever you do, you're affecting the pixels that are here on the screen, and there's just one layer of pixels. But what Photoshop and more sophisticated programs give you is something called layers. So let me undo these things that I've done, and let me add in a new layer, and I'm going to do that down here. And again, we're going to go over this layer stuff in much more detail later, but I just wanted to get this concept of layers. So what I can do now is paint on here, but I haven't, in this case, I haven't really affected my background layer. If I turn this layer off, you see that stuff's still there. In a less sophisticated program, I would have actually affected everything here. So anyway, this is what layers are. And so with Photoshop, we can have a lot of layers, and some layers are special layers, like text layers. Um, we can add in text and then get a text layer. Okay, so this is what layers are. Think of them as like overlays, clear overlays that I can place over my picture, all with information on them, and I can turn each of those layers on and off and deal with things without affecting that base picture. So, anyway, that's what a layer is. And then the next thing we'll do is come back and look at the image file formats and how the layers affect that.